Managing long term. Here's the big question. Can neuropathy be cured? The answer? It depends. Some types are reversible. Others can only be managed. But either way, there's hope. If the damage is caught early, especially in cases like diabetes or B12 deficiency, nerve function can improve. But for long-term or chemotherapy-induced damage, it's more about symptom relief and preventing worsening. After changing my diet, taking supplements, and exercising regularly, well, my feet no longer burn at night. I got my life back. Now here's your game plan. Treat the root cause. For example, like controlling blood sugars. Protect your nerves. Avoid alcohol. Manage your medications. Move your body. Gentle exercise, well, it boosts circulation. Support with supplementation. Things like alpha-lipoic acid, B complex, and omega-3s. And you've got to stay consistent. Progress takes time. At Abundant Health Physical Medicine, we utilize the latest technology successfully utilized by a nationwide group of doctors specifically focused on treating neuropathy. Whether your nerve pain is from diabetic neuropathy, statin use, chemotherapy, infections like shingles, or even idiopathic causes, we have solutions. Every nerve needs 3 essentials: oxygen, stimulation, and nutrition. If any one of those is missing, the nerve begins to break down. Our comprehensive protocol is designed to restore these vital elements to your nerves using a wide combination of therapies, known as oxygenation, targeted stimulation, glucose and nutrient support. Now, the first step is establishing a baseline. Then we get to work addressing metabolic, neurological, and structural factors contributing to your pain and numbness. From professional grade supplementation to advanced in-office modalities, every tool we use is backed by research and focused on results. Most patients begin feeling relief within weeks. After 1 to 3 months, they typically transition to long-term self-care with just occasional in-office follow-ups. We remain a partner in your health, available for continued support, exercise coaching, and medical monitoring. Neuropathy doesn't have to define you. With the right knowledge, action, and support, you can take back control. So rewatch this series anytime, share it with someone you care about, and if you're near Davenport, Iowa, schedule your neuropathy analysis today. Let's find out if our research-based protocols can help you feel like yourself again.